Imagine paying hundreds of dollars every month for software you don't actually need anymore. It sounds crazy, but that's exactly what's happening right now. Free AI tools are quietly replacing expensive software for writing, design, research, and even video editing. The strange part? Most people still haven't realized it. So today I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that can save you time, save you money, and completely change the way you work. Let's get started. Why this matters: a few years ago, if you wanted to build something online, you needed a lot of money. A writer, a designer, a video editor, maybe even a researcher. Today, one person with a laptop can do all of those jobs. Not because they're working harder, but because they're working smarter. AI hasn't made creativity obsolete. It's removed the boring, repetitive work that used to slow people down. Let's start with the tool that changed everything. 1. ChatGPT. You've probably heard of ChatGPT, but most people only use about 10% of what it can actually do. Need to write a professional email? Done. Need ideas for a YouTube video? Done. Need help studying for an exam? Done. Need a first draft for a blog, script, or presentation? Done. The biggest advantage isn't that it writes for you, it's that it helps you get started. And getting started is usually the hardest part. 2. Canva. Next is Canva. There was a time when creating a professional design meant learning Photoshop. Now, you describe what you want, pick a template, and Canva helps you build it in minutes. YouTube thumbnails, presentations, posters, social media posts, even resumes. You don't need to be a designer anymore. You just need a good idea. 3. Perplexity AI. Now here's the tool I wish more people knew about. Perplexity AI. Instead of making you open 10 different websites, it gives you a clear answer. And more importantly, it shows you where the information came from. That means you can learn faster and verify what you're reading. If you're a student, creator, or business owner, this tool can save you hours every week. 4. Gemini. Most people think Gemini is just another chatbot. It's much more than that. It can help you write, brainstorm ideas, summarize long documents, explain difficult topics, and even generate images from a simple prompt. Instead of jumping between different apps, you can do almost everything in one place. It's like having a creative partner that's available whenever you need it. 5. CapCut. Finally, let's talk about video editing. This used to take hours. Now CapCut does many of the repetitive tasks for you. Automatic captions, background removal, smart editing, templates. The goal isn't to replace your creativity. It's to let you spend more time creating and less time clicking buttons. Think about this for a second. 5 years ago, using tools like these would have cost hundreds of dollars every month. Today, many of the best ones are free. The biggest mistake isn't ignoring AI, it's waiting too long to learn it. Because the people using these tools today aren't necessarily smarter, they're simply adapting faster. So here's my challenge. Pick just one tool from this video, spend 30 minutes learning it. You might be surprised how much time and money it saves. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to MR Overthinker, because the future of work isn't coming, it's already here.